I bought and tested these portable electric stoves so you don't have to waste your hard-earned cash. I know how confusing the market can get with endless options. Stick around as I share my real experiences with these products to help you make an informed choice. Product number 1. Elite Gourmet ESB 301BF Single Burner. When I first unboxed the Elite Gourmet ESB 301BF, I was pleasantly surprised by its compact design. I've often found myself in situations where an extra burner was necessary. Think camping trips, holiday gatherings, or just needing a little extra cooking space. This single cast iron burner packs a punch with 1,000 watts of power. Setting it up was a breeze. I plugged it in and within minutes I was cooking my first meal. The adjustable temperature control was quite intuitive. I appreciated how quickly I could get it to the desired low, medium, or high heat settings. I tested it out by boiling water for pasta and was amazed at how efficiently it heated up. Plus, the cast iron surface made for even heat distribution, ensuring my pasta cooked perfectly. Now let's dive into the pros and cons. On the plus side, this burner is incredibly easy to clean. The non-stick cast iron cooking plate only needs a quick wipe down with a damp cloth or sponge after use. The built-in safety features like the power indicator light gave me peace of mind while cooking. The non-skid feet kept the burner stable, which I found particularly useful when I was in a hurry. On the downside, it does have a single burner, which limits simultaneous cooking. So if you're preparing a meal that requires multiple pots, you might need to get creative or time things perfectly. So why should you buy this burner? If you need a reliable, portable stovetop solution, the Elite Gourmet ESB 301BF is a fantastic choice. Its compact size makes it easy to transport, and the 1,000 watts of power are adequate for most cooking tasks. It's affordable, easy to clean, and perfect for anyone who needs an extra burner for their kitchen or on the go. Product number 2. Elite Gourmet EDB 302BF Double Burner. I tested the Elite Gourmet EDB 302BF Double Burner, and let me tell you, this thing is a game changer for anyone needing to cook multiple dishes at once. With a combined 1,500 watts of power, I was able to whip up a full meal in no time. The first thing that struck me was its size. Though compact, it still manages to provide 2 cast iron cooking plates, one measuring 6.5 inches and the other 5 inches. I used it to cook a stir-fry and boil rice simultaneously, and the burners handled the heat like a champ. In terms of usability, the adjustable temperature controls are a big win. I could easily switch between low, medium, and high settings depending on what I was cooking. The dual power indicator lights were a thoughtful touch, letting me know when each burner was in use. Cleaning it was a breeze as well. The non-stick surfaces simply wiped down without any fuss. However, it does get hot, so caution is advised when handling it right after use. Pros? This burner is incredibly versatile and allows you to prepare multiple items at once, which is perfect for larger gatherings or family dinners. Its portability makes it suitable for camping, tailgating, or just extra kitchen space during festivities. The downside? It's a bit bulkier than a single burner, so you'll need adequate counter space to set it up. But if you're looking for efficiency, it's worth it. In conclusion, if you want a powerful dual burner that can keep up with your cooking needs, the Elite Gourmet EDB 302BF is a solid investment. It's a reliable workhorse that won't disappoint, making meal prep a whole lot easier.
Product number 3. The Elite Gourmet ESB 100B Coiled Burner. When I saw this little gem, I immediately thought it might be the perfect travel companion. We all know that cooking can be a hassle in cramped hotel rooms or at campsites, and this burner could be the answer. Weighing in at just a few pounds, it's compact and incredibly easy to store. I decided to take it on a weekend camping trip, and it performed wondrously. Cooking with the coiled burner was an interesting experience. The 1,000 watts of power might sound modest, but it heated up quickly and evenly. I could easily switch between 6 different heat settings using the variable temperature knob. I tested it by making scrambled eggs and boiling some coffee, and it handled both tasks effortlessly. The stainless steel drip pan underneath was a lifesaver, catching any spills and making cleanup a cinch. Let's talk pros and cons.
On the plus side, this burner is lightweight and easy to transport. It's also quite efficient for its size, making it perfect for quick meals. The built-in safety features like the power indicator light really impressed me. However, the coil design means that it might take a bit longer to heat some cooking surfaces compared to a flat burner. Plus, it can only accommodate one pot at a time, limiting what you can prepare. Product number 4. Elite Gourmet EDB 302BF #double burner. The Elite Gourmet EDB 302BF another double burner option that caught my attention. I loved the sleek design and the convenience of having 2 burners at my disposal. With 1500 watts of power, this unit gives you the flexibility to prepare a complete meal at once. Setting it up in my kitchen was straightforward. I plugged it in, and in no time I was frying up some chicken while boiling pasta on the other side. The adjustable temperature controls offered me a wide range of cooking options. I could keep one dish warm while the other cooked, which was a game changer during my dinner prep. The dual power indicator lights kept me informed about when each burner was active, and the non-skid feet provided stability, which I appreciated while multitasking. Cleaning it afterward was also a breeze. The non-stick surfaces made it easy to wipe down. There are some pros and cons to consider though. On the plus side, the dual burners allow for efficient cooking, and it was powerful enough to handle everything I threw at it. However, it does take up more counter space than a single burner, which could be a deal breaker for those with limited kitchen real estate. Additionally, the cast iron plates get quite hot quickly, so careful handling is required. In summary, if you're looking for a reliable double burner that can handle family meals or entertaining guests, the Elite Gourmet EDB 302BF is worth considering. Its power and efficiency make it a great addition to any kitchen, especially for those who need more than one cooking surface. Product number 5. Cuisinart CB60P1 Double Burner. I had the chance to test the Cuisinart CB60P1 Double Burner. This isn't just a cooking device, it's a high-end appliance that combines functionality with aesthetics. The moment I unboxed it, I could tell it was built to last, with heavy-duty cast iron plates that felt robust. At 1800 watts, this burner is a powerhouse, and I was excited to see what it could do in my kitchen. I set it up on my countertop, and the sleek stainless steel design added a touch of elegance. The separate 6-setting adjustable temperature controls allowed me to cook 2 different items at varying temperatures without any issues. I prepared a grilled cheese on one side while sautéing some vegetables on the other, and both came out perfectly cooked. The ready and safety indicator lights offered peace of mind, ensuring I knew exactly when each side was ready to use. The non-slip feet kept it stable, which was crucial during my cooking frenzy. On the pros side, the Cuisinart CB60P1 is incredibly powerful and versatile, able to handle multiple cooking tasks at once. The durable construction promises longevity, which is a huge plus for anyone who cooks frequently. On the downside, it's slightly pricier compared to other options on this list, and its larger size means it's not as portable as some of the more compact burners. However, if you have the space for it, it's worth every penny. So why should you consider the Cuisinart CB60P1? If you're serious about cooking and want a reliable, powerful double burner that looks great in your kitchen, this is the one for you. It can handle everything from simple meals to more complex recipes, making it a fantastic investment for any home cook. To wrap things up, each of these portable electric stoves has its strengths and weaknesses. Whether you need a single burner for travel or a powerful double burner for entertaining, there's something here for everyone. Choose wisely and happy cooking.